Hello, Pinkins. So today, Fireman's earthquake was horrifying due to the events of Turkish era, February last month. Yeah. Earthquakes can be very fatal and can also injure you. One, you need to brace your life for impact as the earthquake happens. So, yeah, don't be stupid with earthquakes. Now, first, I want to talk about Turkish Euro. Turkish Euro is a place where the same place that has happened, an earthquake occurred. Yep. What's worse is that yesterday, King Charles's cancelled trip to France ended up being burned and destroyed by protesters. Yeah, I cannot recall the rest, but I just want to say, don't be stupid with earthquakes or work for virus or anything like that. I'll see you in another story. I'll try to give you as many as I can.